Hey everyone, my name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and in this video we're gonna go over a very common issue we get called for, and that's called turf burning. So we're gonna quickly show you why that happens, and then we're gonna show you the only film currently on the market that provides a 100% guarantee of preventing the turf burning from ever happening again. So if you currently have turf or you're thinking about getting turf, one of the major issues you're probably gonna run into if you have windows that are very close to the turf that's gonna be installed is it burning. Now, how does that happen? Well, what's happening is when the sun hits that window, it's gonna reflect off that window and shoot off, and it's gonna hit a certain section on the turf, and it's gonna cause it to be magnified in that one specific area because it's being reflected off the glass. It's gonna cause that area to burn because it's just so hot compared to the sun just hitting the turf. Since it's being reflected off the glass, it just makes it much hotter. And what you're gonna notice is a bunch of stripes on the grass, and it's just gonna look brown in color. It's not gonna be green or the original color, and it's gonna melt it, so it's just gonna look a lot shorter. It's gonna look like the grass got stomped on, and it's never gonna come back up. So right now we're gonna go over the best window film, and really the only window film currently on the market that's gonna guarantee to prevent that, so you no longer have to worry about your turf becoming damaged from the sun reflecting off your windows. So for this project, we installed this turf prevention window film on the entire backside of their home. Now, this film is installed on the exterior because when the sun hits the glass, instead of causing that reflection off and burning the turf, it's instead now gonna hit this film, and this film is gonna disperse the light in different ways. So instead of it magnifying and hitting that certain section on the turf, it's no longer gonna do that. Now this film right here, it's clear and has a bunch of little squares in it, and when it comes to the inside looking out, you're still gonna have a very clear view. It's not really gonna change the look of the view, and when it comes to the way that the windows look, it's not really gonna change the way that your home is also gonna look as well. It's very subtle, it's not that noticeable, but currently on the market, this is the only film that comes with a 100% guarantee to prevent turf burns from happening, or just from stopping it from ever happening again. So after watching this video, hopefully you learned a little bit more about how to prevent turf burning happening to your project, or just how to stop it from happening again if you're facing that current problem as we speak. So if you're interested in getting a free quote for your project and free turf prevention window film samples for your project as well, below there's gonna be a link that you can click on. It's gonna shoot you over to a webpage where you can learn a little bit more information about this specific film, and you can fill out a quick form, and a representative will reach out to you to help answer any questions that maybe we didn't even answer in this video, and schedule a date and time to provide you those free samples and a free estimate for your window tinting project. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.